it's coming from the kitchen! Quick! Let's go take a look!
Hey, look, Fizzy! There's crumbs!
You're right, Phoebe! Let's be really quiet! Whatever it is, I think it's still here!
A scary monster? Look! I think it's frightened. Hey, don't worry, monster. We won't hurt you. Aww! Look how cute he is, Fizzy! Phoebe, I've got an idea!
What are you doing here, monster?
I'm lost. I don't have any friends and I can't find my family.
Oh no! Everyone needs friends! Hey, I'll be your friend, monster! I'll be your friend too! What's your name?
My name's Bobby. I'm so happy you're my friends. But do you have any more food? I'm so hungry.
Wowzer! This monster is very, very hungry! Oh no! I think Bobby might eat all our food! Oh no! Phoebe, look! I think Bobby's gonna eat the whole house! Quick! We need a distraction! I got it, Phoebe! Let's make slime!
Slime?
Yoo-hoo! Yeah! Let's make the slimiest slime ever! Slimy slime coming up!
But I don't know how to make slime.
That's alright! I'll teach you! But first, we need some fizzy magic to get the slime ingredients! Fizzy, wizzy, buzzy, bop!
Wow, magic!
Oh my goodness, Fizzy! I'm so excited! What do we need to do first? Well, now that we've got all the ingredients, we need a hand from Miss Hands. Oh, Miss Hands!
All right. First of all, we need to add half a cup of clear glue into the bowl. What color slime would you like to make first?
Purple!
Okay.
All right. Why don't we make yellow slime with purple glitter? So we're gonna need the yellow food coloring first. And mix it in.
Look how yellow it is! I love it!
Well, it's not yellow slime yet, Phoebe. We need to add the magic ingredient.
Hey, Miss Hands! Don't forget the purple!
Don't worry, Fizzy. Let's add some purple glitter now. Ooh, pretty.
Wow, it's so slimy and stretchy too! Wow, I love our slimy slime! I want to make a green one now!
dear Phoebe. All right, what color glitter would you like to go with your green slime?
Ooh, red glitter!
All right, Fizzy, red glitter it is. Hey, Monster, you can't eat the glue. It's not good for you.
But I'm so hungry.
Look, why don't you have this nice, yummy watermelon?
Oh, thank you, Miss Hands.
Oh dear, I've forgotten what color slime you wanted, Phoebe. What was it?
Oh, green!
All right, let's put some green drops in. There we go. Wow, look at this green slime. It looks like an alien.
Miss Hands, please could we make fluffy slime?
Great idea, Fizzy. All right, let's add some shaving cream. Wow, it's looking so fluffy, but it's not slime yet. We need to add our magic ingredient.
Don't forget to add the red glitter!
All right, Fizzy, let's add some red glitter.
Wow, the red glitter looks so pretty in the green slime.
Hey, what's wrong, Monster?
No slime food for Monster.
Well, why don't you help me with the next slime?
Yes, please.
Now, Bobby, would you like to make a special new type of slime?
Oh yeah, a special monster slime.
All right, we're gonna make butter slime. What color would you like?
Oh, a blue slime, like the sky.
Wow, that really is a bright blue. Oh, I love that blue. Wow, it's so buttery and smooth, just like real butter.
Buttery pancakes.
Oh no! The slime's everywhere! How am I gonna cook lunch for Phoebe and Bobby?
Oh yay, lunch, yummy.
No, Bobby, don't eat the slime. You're right, Fizzy. It has gotten very slimy. I'm gonna need your help to tidy it all up.
Don't worry, Miss Hands. I'll help you tidy.
Food, yummy food.
No, Bobby. We'll have food after tidying. But how can we tidy away so much slime? I think it's time for a little bit of fizzy magic. Fizzy, wizzy, bobbity, boop. Wow, look! Each of the pots has a different color on it.
You're right, Phoebe. We've got a yellow pot, a green pot, and a blue pot.
We've got to match the slime to the correct pot. Oh, I know. Let's put the green slime in the yellow pot. No, Phoebe. We need to match the color of the slime to the pot. So the green slime will go in the green pot.
Good job, Fizzy. One green slime in the green pot. Ta-da!
Oh, so
green slime in the yellow pot.
Oops, not quite, Bobby. The green slime is already in the green pot, but the yellow slime could go in the yellow pot. Ta-da!
Look, Fizzy! The kitchen's all clean! Come on, Phoebe. Let's make Bobby a yummy lunch. And lots of it! Thanks for watching! I hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic